Tags. Tags are identification codes that allow for an easy navigation or search on the website. This feature is interconnected with the aforementioned allocation rules feature, as it is one of the rule types available in the drop-down menu. In order to set up a new tag, click the plus button located in the top right corner. Provide a tag name, for example, tag name 1, and tag description. Tag description 1. Press submit to add a new tag. Proceed by going to allocation rules and selecting order tag from the drop-down menu, title as rule types. You can create a new order rule or select one from the already existing ones. In this case, we will just create a new one to display the functionality of the interconnected features. So select an order tag and fill in the empty fields and add rules and conditions following the instruction that has been mentioned previously in the allocation rules. Recalling the description, we need to press the gray arrow, click the toggle conditions and adding conditions to create a specific order rule, and selecting the tag name 1, the one that we created earlier. Once a tag has been created and certain rules and conditions assigned, it may be used in order filtering for an eased website navigation. These order filters may be found by clicking the Orders tab and the reverse triangle. Once the following screen has appeared, you need to scroll down to find Tags field and select one from the drop-down menu. Lastly, you need to press Submit to filter the orders to be able to navigate on the website easily.